Welcome back to Build Financially. This channel is dedicated to helping you improve your income and build financial freedom. If you're new here, we talk about personal finance, side hustles, and smart money habits. Let's dive in. Are you looking for side hustles you can start from home? You don't need a lot of money or experience to begin. Many side hustles today only require a phone, a laptop, and internet access. One simple side hustle is freelancing. This includes writing, graphic design, virtual assistants, or customer support. You can learn basic skills online and start offering services quickly. Another option is online tutoring or teaching. If you know a subject well, you can teach or share knowledge online. Content creation is also a powerful side hustle. You can create videos, blogs, or digital content and grow over time. Affiliate marketing is another beginner-friendly option. This allows you to earn by recommending useful products or services. You can also sell digital products like guides or templates. These products can generate income repeatedly once created. The most important thing is to choose one idea and start small. Consistency matters more than perfection. Side hustles grow with time and effort. Side hustles can help you earn extra income and reduce financial stress. If you found this video helpful, like and subscribe to Build Financially. New videos are uploaded regularly with simple and practical money tips. Turn on notifications so you don't miss the next video. In the next video, we'll talk about how to turn a side hustle into long-term income. See you in the next video. Until then, keep building financially.